there must have been some reasons. No one becomes unfaithful without cause. My love was strange, my devotion was at its peak. Sometimes I received everything without asking, and sometimes nothing even after pleading. I guess now I no longer live in your thoughts. You call love a game, while I ruin my life for it. Even after finding you, I gained nothing. Even as yours, I remain helpless. Maybe others love me too, but I'm in love with my own kind of love. Only the wise make mistakes, my friend. Have you ever seen a fool fall in love? Let me give you my own example. Love sometimes lets you live even after killing you. Those who are not written in destiny, we love them with the purest passion. Our bond will never grow weak, it's just time's conspiracy. Sometimes you're busy, sometimes I am. Feel me somewhere deep inside you. Your heartbeat exists wherever I do. If you become mine, I'll love you so much. People will crave to have a fate like yours. You are the voice of my soul. Didn't I tell you you are truly special? Like the blush of dawn spreading across the sky. The drop from your cheek falls right into my heart. I had such faith in my love, and with the same faith I lost my life. Haven't I always adored you? See, I've decorated my scarf with stars for you. Though love is forbidden, still go ahead. You have my permission to love. If I had another life to live, I'd spend it too. Loving you.